Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, my title was a little clickbaity, but it's practically true. Stay tuned. Y'all, today I am going to share with you a fantastic way to get paper for next to nothing. Pennies. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here, and thank you all for helping to make this little corner of YouTube a warm and welcoming place for all. Y'all, I'm not kidding when I say we're going to be able to get bunches and bunches and bunches of paper for pennies per sheet. I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because you really need to see this for yourselves. So from my awesome paper find, I made these beautiful autumn flat fold bags. And each bag really does cost pennies to make. I think the most expensive bag might have been about 13 or 14 cents to make. And that was for the full sheet, y'all. It's not a 12 by 12. It's a much larger sheet. So we're not making the bags today, but I just wanted to show these to you. I will come back in another video and show you how to make these beautiful flat fold bags. And so y'all, here is the secret to this paper crafting gem. We are going to be using paper placemats. Now these have the weight of a sheet of scrapbook paper or copier paper. You can certainly run these through your printer if you cut them down. Here's the beauty. You get so many in a pack. I am just going to hold this up so that you can see all of this print that I got. It's the same print. And that allows me to make multiples of bags or notebooks or whatever I want to make. I have all the paper I need to be able to make multiples. And I think this pack here had 100 in it. And it might have been about $11.99 or $12. I can't remember the pricing on these, but y'all, even if it's $12 and you get 100 sheets, that's what, 12 cents a sheet? Look at all of this paper that you get. This is simply amazing. So if you're new to paper crafting and you want some quality papers to grow your stash, look at ways like this. So this one I believe is 11 by 14 in length. And then I have this one, I think it's 11 by 16. It really is beautiful. And again, look at all of the papers you get. I think my Gnome Paper had 50 in it, and I think these two have 100. But look at how beautiful this is. You can see how that one is considerably larger than this one. But they are so stinking cute that I just had to share these with you guys, because don't just go out to Amazon and get these. They have thousands of different styles of paper placemats to choose from, which means you can choose them for any season, any reason, any one. I chose autumn because I'm doing some autumn crafting. But if you decide to go out to Amazon, don't just limit yourself to these. Look at the other items that they might have available. And so here is the Gnome Paper. Y'all, I love it. And this is the Gnome flat fold bag that I made with that paper. It is a 2-inch wide bag when opened. I haven't put it together because I have it flat folded, but it's 2 inches wide. So that's a very decent sized bag. And then I believe it's about 9 inches high. Beautiful bag, front and back. And all of these are scrapbook weight papers. So that means they'll work with your craft. You can back these with chipboard. You can back them to a solid colored cardstock, or you can do as I've done here, just use them in their natural state. But look at all of the paper. I believe that I have 250 sheets of paper here, y'all. And when you break it down, I paid pennies for these. I get excited about things like this. I get excited about finds like this because I hear it all the time. How can I get those beautiful papers that you use? This is one of the ways that you can. Y'all, I'm constantly looking for beautiful papers, and I don't just limit myself to the usual scrapbook locations. I try to look at other things that might be out there that might be easily converted to this craft that we all love. So yes, the scrapbook stores are great. They serve a purpose, but keep your mind open to some other ways of getting beautiful paper for your crafting and your scrapbooking needs. All of this is a prime example of what I'm talking about. I can craft for a long time with just what I have right here on my desk. I have ordered some more because I wanted to make sure I was going to be pleased with the quality before I invested any more money in paper placemats. I'm beyond pleased, and that is one of the reasons why I'm on here sharing this with you. If I wasn't pleased, you'd never hear about this from me. So I'll have a link in the description box for all 3 of these patterns, but please go out there and look at some of the other patterns that they have. There are so many more than what I have here. If I could have afforded to, I probably would have ordered dozens, but I can't. So I went through and I picked out some of my favorite autumn prints, but there are so many more autumn prints. I saw Christmas, I saw weddings, I saw birthdays, I saw everything out there. So for those of you who are interested and looking for a great deal on getting some awesome paper, check the link in my description box, head on out to Amazon and see what they have to offer. And for those of you who are outside of the US but you have access to Amazon, just go to Amazon in your region and type in decorative paper placemats. So many should come up. And as I said earlier, I will make a video showing the process for turning one of these paper placemats into a flat fold bag. So if you want to go ahead and make up bunches of these and have them ready when you need them, this is going to be the process that you will definitely want to see. It is super easy. So I hope that you are as excited about going out and looking at these as I am in sharing them with you. As always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.